Welcome to the Bell Master Aviator panel. My name is John Navalis. I'm the Director, Advanced Program Sales and Strategy at Bell. And I'm really excited to be here today with this unbelievable panel of experts and master aviators. And in fact, we did a little count, and it's 185 years of experience that resonates with this group of six. And then that covers, obviously, training.
Doug England, Chief Warrant Officer 5, retired.
Sustainment.
Hello, Jay Blank, retired W5 also, 31 years on active duty.
Maintenance.
Retired CW5, Travis Dixon.
Operations.
I'm CW4 retired, Ann Wiley.
Matt Dorham, also retired CW5.
And survivability.
I'm CW5 retired Scott Brasuelis. I did almost 29 years in the Army.
What is our topic? Well, our topic today is Flight School Next, the United States Army's solution and replacement for its current initial entry rotary wing training that they conduct at Fort Rucker, Alabama. I think probably where we'll start is Flight School Next. Why? What is the Army trying to accomplish?